Okay, fine. So the question is, why should I hire you? In interview, just try to understand the situation, right? The interviewer, you have given your self introduction. I hope you already know how to give that self introduction. You have given that. You have shared who you are, where you are from, what type of candidate you are, why you need that job. Everything you have shared, right? And then the interviewer suddenly has asked you this question: hey, please tell me, why should I hire you? And you are confused. You don't know what you have to say, or you have to give the reply to that question. But if you know how to handle that question, it will be the easiest task for you to manage in front of the interviewer, right? Interviewer always wants candidates to believe in. As a candidate or being a candidate, this is your task to make them believe in you. So whatever points you are going to include in your speech, just make sure you are sharing that from your heart and you are speaking the truth. There is nothing to fake in front of the interviewers. Okay, so the answers can be like this, and this question is really important because this is a valid question. There are many candidates who are waiting for the post of that position you have applied for in that office, in that organization, and you are going to tell the interviewer that you are a good candidate, eligible candidate, compatible candidate, right? The answers can be like this. Thank you very much, sir, for this question, because I really understand there are many candidates who are waiting for this post. But I can assure you that if you hire me, I won't disappoint you. I have a job, I have a dream to work in this organization. This is my dream job. I have been waiting for this opportunity for a long time. And today I have got this opportunity. I'm a great learner. I have a great passion to learn new things. And whenever I find that I don't know an answer of a question or anything, I find out that I remember that forever. I have a strong knowledge, or I am strong in my subject knowledge, and also I have confidence in my soft skills because I know how to handle stress, I know how to handle my anger, I know how to manage my emotion in the workplace. If I am given a chance, I will prove my candidature and I will not disappoint anyone. That's it. Thank you very much. Clear? You have
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
included everything. You have a passion for the post, for the job, you have mentioned that. You have a strength, you have mentioned that. You have acknowledged that there are many candidates who are waiting for this, you have also said that. So that's it. Thank you very much. Okay, have you understood? Follow me. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Just wait.